Windows and doors are the only home improvement that's visible both inside and out. So isn't it time for some home updates that you and your neighbors will love? A wise man once said,
I'll be your window man, take away your window pane. I'll be the one you call when the pouring rain comes in. Pick out anything you want.
Doing windows is one of the few home improvements that's both visible from the inside and outside the homes. Windows also change dramatically the way the home feels. And what I mean by that is the first thing you'll notice is the general comfort of the home, not having hot and cold rooms, being able to enjoy, every space in the home equally. And there's lots of people who do window replacements, but you really aren't buying a window when you're buying a replacement window. You're really buying a window system. People just don't really know what to look for because they're not educated on windows. That's what a window expert is supposed to educate homeowners on, is what to look for, what's important, what are the right questions to ask.
if you're in the market for a new window system or a new front door, it's important to make sure you're asking the right questions.
We live in the information age. It's really easy to go out there and get an answer to any question that you have, but it's also very easy to get the opposite answer that you just got. What you really want to ask is, how do you guys hold yourselves accountable? How do you keep yourselves accountable? How do you assure me that I'm going to get the right product, the right installation, the right warranty? What's not covered under this warranty? What are some things that down the road I could possibly have to pay for? What kind of low-E? Are you guys using the good low-E? How much was put on, and what does that mean in terms of my energy savings? How much and what does it mean, and how is it applied is equally as important as, is it on there?
The right company will help you pick the perfect window system for your lifestyle.
We're more personable and we build more rapport, and then we do have so many different options that fits everybody's style and budget. If you want to do more modernized or you want to stick kind of closer to what you already had, so we can definitely fit their needs.
Replacing windows and doors isn't just for looks, though. It can save you energy and prevent a major headache.
There's a lot that really goes into picking the right design when it comes to window replacement. There are a ton of options, whether they want to go grids on the house, no grids on the house, interior colors, exterior colors. Right away, they're going to immediately see you're going to cut out around 85 to 90% of outside noise. A reduction in the energy bill, maybe up to 45% off the energy bill right away. But in the long run, you're going to see an increase in your curb appeal as well as your property value.
When you're ready for a window renovation, it's time to call SunSmart.
We take care of every facet to make it as easy as possible for our homeowners. In other words, we've taken the time to do the research to make sure we can offer the best financing that's available. We don't limit ourselves to working with one or two different manufacturers. We leave ourselves completely open. We have over a dozen manufacturers that we can go to get something for everybody's specific needs on their specific situation. Because at the end of the day, your home is not your neighbor's home. Your taste is not your neighbor's taste, and your budget is not your neighbor's budget. We make sure that people get exactly what it is that they need for their home, their taste, and their budget.
We got everything you need. Call SunSmart Windows and Doors. We'll make your life easy.
For more information, visit their website, sunsmarthome.com or designingspaces.tv.